This year's 2024 of the SWAT International Roundup would be our first for specialized operations. We competed in 2 events today, day 1, where it saw the team engaging in 2 stages. Stage 1 had 2 sniper shooters, myself, our fellow constable Baker, where we had to do some rappelling, some distance running, and a lot of assault shooting. It also had the assault aspect of it, where we had our assault team, where some distance running, of course, and a lot of plates, obstacle crossing, and just all good shooting. Our second stage saw us doing more of a team with the sniper and the assault team, where we engaged several obstacles, climbed some towers, engaged sniper plates, as well as different shooting positions for our assault team. And I can say, after day 1, specialized operations and Team Jamaica, we're doing good.
Our first event this morning was the Tower Scramble. Team snipers did pretty well on the tower. We had our assault team doing very well. So all in all, I think if you should check it, this is one of our best performing years at SWAT. In our performing better this year, I think it was owed to a little bit more preparation mentally as well as physically. And we had a few hiccups, however, in training, but the experience that we had before actually helped us with how we competed today.